Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mr. Mess Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to seed pomegranate from this to this. But first of all, if it's your first time to learn on this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and also hit the notification bell that you don't miss any of my beautiful videos. Okay, so before we dive into the video, let's talk a little bit about pomegranates. Pomegranates are among the healthiest fruit you can eat. Not only for the nutrients, but they also contain some powerful plant compounds that are responsible of many health benefits. And also something very important you must know, pomegranate contain the most antioxidant compared to green tea and also red wine. And also some studies shown that pomegranate have some anti-inflammatory effects. So overall, pomegranate tastes so good and also has so many health benefits. Okay, so now I taught you a lot about the benefit of pomegranate. So now let's go ahead and seed it. Okay, to seed our pomegranate, we're gonna need one cotton board. We're gonna also need a napkin in case we have some juice pouring out. We're gonna need a paring knife. We're gonna need a kitchen spoon to knock out all the seed. We're gonna also need a large bowl. And of course, to seed our pomegranate, we're gonna need a pomegranate. Yeah, this is how the pomegranate is on the tree, right here. So we're gonna cut the bottom of it. The bottom look like flower. This is where we're gonna cut. So we're gonna use our paring knife and cut it lightly. We won't gonna cut through the seed. We're just gonna cut it lightly, right there, just like that, and circle it all the way around. We won't gonna cut the seed. We're gonna just stop around there. Once you're done cutting, you're just gonna peel it off. Yeah. So this is what you see when you peel off. So in the pomegranate you have some line, look like veins. So this area and this area, you just gonna use a paring knife and cut it. You just follow the line, alright? Follow the line. So you also, of course, won't gonna cut through the seed. So just lightly cut through all the way to the bottom, just like that. Alright? Continue doing it. Everywhere you see a white line like that, you just do it. So just cut through like that, all the way around. And you continue here as well, slowly to the bottom. Yep, as well as here, all the way to the bottom. Right? So once you reach this stage, now I'm gonna use your hand and try to split that lightly. You gotta be gentle. Just split that slowly. See, so far we don't have any mess. So you're gonna just slide it slowly, just like that. Every small area you cut. And we're gonna bring in our bowl to get all our seed. So once you reach this stage, just like that, right? You're gonna put it like this and flip it around. And make sure it sits in your hand, just like this. And now you're gonna use your kitchen spoon and you're gonna beat it up. Knock it down slightly. Lightly until you get out all the seed. Okay, so this is what we got. So we pretty much get all the seed out. So we're gonna now remove the remaining seed with our hand. Wow, you see how easy it is to seed pomegranate from this to this with no mess. So if you didn't know how to seed pomegranate without making a mess, now you know. Just follow my simple tip and you're gonna be fine. Okay, so we have here our video. So if you like my video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also don't hesitate to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my videos, and also some beautiful tutorial just like this. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and beautiful tutorial just like this. Peace.